In this video, you'll learn how to take a screenshot on your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. By following these steps, you will be able to capture and manage your screen content effectively. Begin by navigating to the specific screen that you wish to capture. Ensure that all necessary content is visible and properly arranged. It is advisable to close any notifications or unnecessary applications to minimize distractions. This preparation step is crucial as it helps guarantee a complete and clear screenshot. By ensuring the correct layout, you can avoid the need for repeated attempts, resulting in a more professional capture of your device's screen. Next, to capture the screenshot, press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 1 second. You will notice a visual animation and hear a sound, which indicates that the screenshot has been successfully taken. Be cautious not to release the buttons too quickly, as this may prevent the capture from being executed properly. Once taken, the screenshot is automatically saved in the Photos app, ensuring that you can access it later. After capturing the screenshot, you can review it immediately to confirm that it includes all desired content. To do this, open the Photos app on your Pixel device. Locate the Screenshots folder, which is specifically designated for this purpose. This folder makes it easy to find your screen captures without searching through your entire photo library. If you need to make any adjustments, you can edit, crop, or annotate the screenshot within the Photos app. After editing, you can share the screenshot using various methods. By tapping the share button, you can send the screenshot via email, messaging apps, or upload it to cloud storage services. Before sending, it is wise to verify that the screenshot displays correctly to ensure it meets your needs. Your Pixel 8 or 8 Pro screen capture is now ready for use or sharing. Proper management of your screenshots will help maintain organization and easy access. This concludes the tutorial on taking screenshots on your Pixel devices. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.